Hello, welcome to SBM Space video. In this video, we will provide you with a tutorial on how to use SBM Space for assurance of learning assessment. First, you need to log in to space.sbm.itb.ac.id by using your SBM email. Then you will find this dashboard. Second, select courses, and you will find the list of courses that you are teaching depending on the term of semesters that you have selected. For example, when you select for semesters of 2017-2018, you will find this list of courses. Third, select a course that you will assess, and you will find the menu on the right side of the dashboard. From this menu, select Assessment AOL, and you will find a table mentioning the list of learning objectives attached to your course or class. If you find number 1.1, meaning that this is LG number 1, LO number 1. Remember that the assessment should be done for all objectives. The next step is to identify assessment date and methods for each of learning objectives. For example, LG1, LO1, known functions in management and their integration in real organizational practices. Click Action, Assign Assessment. In this menu, you have to fill out the assessment details. First, the assessment type. For example, if the lecturers set up individual assignment as the methods or types to assess 1.1, then click Individual Assignment. If you cannot find the assessment type from this list, you may click Others and then type the assessment type in this description cell. And do not forget to set up the schedule. When will the assessment be conducted? Click Save. After you identified the assessment date and methods, the next step is to choose student. Click Action, Choose Student. On the right side of the dashboard, you will find the list of students. In this part, the number of assessment proportion is automatically defined by the system. For example, 20% is the minimum assessment proportion. If you want to change it, you are only allowed to increase the number of proportions. And then click Generate and Save. The final step is to execute assessment. Click Action, Execute Assessment. In this part, you will find the list of students. If it is in red color, means that the student has not been assessed. On the right side, it provides you with a rubric for each of LG/LO. For example, LG1, LO3. It consists of 3 elements to be assessed. How to do assessment for each of these elements is by take a look on the details of 3 scales of performance: excellent, satisfactory, and poor. If you remember, in this example, we use individual assignment to assess 1.3. So what you need to do is to check the student's documents and assess for each of these elements. Example, for these students, if you think that his performance yields an excellent, it is defined as able to create relevant strategies for local businesses using multiple global perspectives, then simply click this. If you think that for the second element, it yields satisfactory, so click this cell. And if you think that for these elements, it yields poor performance, click this. If you have completed for each student, you will find that the name of the students changed to green. If you can make sure that you have finalized all assessment for all students, all elements under all LG/LO, Click Save, then you finalize the assessment of AOL. If you want to check the status of your AOL assessment, you can check it in Dashboard. There will be three types of status: not started, in progress, and completed. If you still have questions related to SPACE platform for AOL assessment, you can contact QA unit. Thank you for your attention and good luck for your AOL assessment.